Hey guys, in this video I wanted to talk about what would I do if I would start from scratch totally over again and would have to make 10k a month as soon as possible with Shopify. A lot of people have always been asking me, Jasper, how do you start a store from scratch? How do you start finding a product from scratch? How do you gain as quick as possible momentum with your store on Shopify? I would love to use Shopify as well. If I would start over again, it makes it so much easier for your online store to convert and have all the apps that you want in one place. So sure, I would love to tell you guys how I would start over again. And I think this video will be totally raw. I have some notes here on my Remarkable. As you can see, I have a new mic set up for this one as well. For the raw clips, I want to use this kind of audio. So let me know if you like the audio till now, and if you like this kind of clips, so I can make much more content on YouTube. These videos seem to be working much more with the other creators that I see right now, so let's try this format as well. So I have some steps outlined that we can use when we need to start from scratch building an online business and scale it to 7 figures, maybe 8 figures. I've been doing ecom since last 5 years. I've been doing close to 10 million revenue in online sales. Next to my ecom business, I have an agency as well. With my agency, we help people with the customer support, and we have also a department that runs Google Ads for e-commerce webshops like brands and dropshippers. So I have a lot of knowledge about the space. I know a lot of ecom. I know a lot of about running an agency as well. So maybe that's something for the next video. But in this video, I want to cover what are the steps that I would take if I would start from scratch building an online store and bring it to 10k a month as soon as possible. Well, the first step that I would take to bring a store from 0 to 10k a month is doing the product research. Doing product research is very important at this stage because you don't want to lose time with spending a lot of money on testing random products. No, we want to test straight away good products that fit some criteria. Well, what are these criteria? Well, I use 3 criteria for this one. Number 1 is it needs to have a high margin. So we need to only sell products with high margins, at least 60-70% plus. So we sell only products with a lot of margin. Why? So we can scale it. We can outbid our competitors on the platforms that we use, so we have more budget to use for the marketing. Criteria number 2, it needs to give people a certain feeling that makes them happier or makes them feel more confident. We need to trigger some kind of emotion that people really feel and instantly feel. So let's say we solve a problem that people have right now and we instantly solve the problem by using their product instead of like waiting for weeks to have even some kind of results. No, we want to give them quick results. We want to give them shortcuts. That's what people are always looking for. And the third criteria that I want to use is, are this product reusable? So can we maintain the customer for a long time? Or are there many upsells or even subscriptions possible? So let's say, for example, a supplement is pretty good to think about. If the supplement stock is empty from the people, they will buy again your supplement if you have a good product. So if you think about some type of product that you can be doing upsells or you can do subscription based, these products are very good. I don't think it's like the biggest factor in right now if you need to make like 10k a month, but at the end, if you want to scale it to like 7 figures or 8 figures, it's very important. So this will be the first step. It's just doing product research, finding products that have all these 3 criteria, and then we move on to the second step. And the second step is choosing your platform that you want to use for advertising. And you want to stick with it. Don't get any shiny object syndrome. I don't think that's very useful at this stage. You need to conquer and master one platform. And the most easy thing to do is just check what kind of platform are you using right now for yourself, for your social media the most. Well, for me, I use Instagram the most. I use Twitter a lot. I use YouTube a lot. So I would use Instagram and Facebook ads for my product. Why? It's the source of media that I'm using right now. So I even see a lot of new products popping off on Instagram, on Facebook right now. So I can just steal them and copy it and put it in another market. Let's say I see some kind of guy killing it in the USA market on my Instagram feed. I can take it to the Dutch market or the German market where I have my expertise in. So if you're, for example, you're maybe a little bit younger and you use TikTok a lot, well, then TikTok is maybe the platform that you want to use for your advertising. It's just use one platform and master it and stick with it. Don't get shiny object syndrome. What I mean with that is I see a lot of people testing products on Facebook for like 1 week, and then they're like, this product does not work. Let's test the TikTok as well. Let's test Pinterest. Please don't do that. Just stick with one platform and just scale it up to like at least 10K a day, and then you can diversify and choose another platform as well. You need to have the product market fit at first at one platform, and so you can learn a lot about the platform and you can become better. That's how you do it. Well, step number 3 is choosing your market. You can think about any kind of market you want to use. You can do the top 5, you can do the United States, you can do United Kingdom. It's just choose the market you're familiar with. Don't think about, I need to have like a big market to scale and etc. etc. Yes, that's true, but not for your first 10K a month. No, your first 10K a month is just getting experience in the field. It's just learning about all the steps you have to take to build an online business from scratch and scale it up to 10K a month. 10K a month is pretty easy to do in every market there is here. I think even here in the smallest countries in Europe, like Finland, for example, I made 10K a month in Finland as well with just 2 products. So it's pretty easy to do. You can choose the market you want, go all in it, and just study the market, know the language, know the culture, know how people are buying. Maybe they have a lot of capital. Like for example, here Switzerland. Switzerland is not that big as well, but have a lot of capital to buy. These kind of markets I would focus on, and I'm very familiar with, and I speak the language as well. So this makes it very easy for me to start from scratch and scale something up to 10K a month. The last step is step number 4, and that's just build a store that is optimized for sales, nothing else. And what I mean with that is study what other people are doing and just copy it. And what I mean is not copy and paste like the whole text, etc., but check what other brands are doing it. Most of them have only focused on building a very good offer. But if you have found a product that's doing well in the United States market, study the offer. Study the offer and what are they doing to make the sale. Mostly they are using scarcity, they're using urgency, they're using social proof, and they're using some kind of guarantee. These 4 criteria or these 4 elements, these need to be implemented on your landing page, on your store, so it has to be converting. I think it's if you implement these 4 stuff into your landing page, your Shopify store will convert much more than the regular dropshipper that does not take a look at these kind of things, and it will be very easy to scale. So number 5, and that's just the last part, and that's the marketing. You need to learn the marketing. You need to learn who is buying from you. You need to understand the market. And what I mean with that is just think about the problem you're solving and think about how aware are people about the problem you're solving. For example, you have a product that solves hair thinning. So you have a product that makes your hair thicker, let's say that. How many people are aware of hair thinning? Not a lot of people. So you know in your marketing at your creators on Facebook, for example, you need to be targeting people that are unaware. If you check in the pyramid of the marketing, the highest people on the top of on the pyramid, these are unaware. This is the biggest market. People that don't know they have a problem yet. They don't know it yet. And you are here with your marketing to tell them that they have a problem and that you have the solution. So you need to be very creative with your marketing and make sure people understand what kind of problem they have and what kind of problem they are having in their daily life, and why they should take your solution to encounter that problem. And that's very easy to do. It's just by going, for example, to Amazon reviews. Just check what the other people are telling about your product as well on Amazon. People buy a lot on Amazon, and your product is already on Amazon. I think most of the products are already on Amazon. Just go to the review section and check and see what people are already telling. See what people are experiencing right now. Learn from these reviews and put them back in your creatives and on your landing pages as well. So on your landing pages, you have no more friction. People have all answers are answered, and they already know why this product is the best solution for their problem. So this is very, very easy. We have now 5 steps to make very good landing pages, to make the best creatives, to find the best product, to find the best market, to find the best audience. And if you do this, I can guarantee you guys it's the most easiest steps to take when you want to start from scratch and build a store to do at least 10K a month. 10K a month is not much. Let's be honest, 10K a month is not that much. I know a lot of guys, like, they are making millions, like 10 millions, 100 millions, even per month, just by using Shopify and selling some products online. But everybody has to start somewhere. So don't compare your chapter 1 with someone else's chapter 10. But chapter 1 are these 5 steps that I've talked about in this video. Just learn these 5 steps and you will see creating an online store has never been easier before than in 2024 right now. I hope you guys learned a lot from this video. I hope you guys like this kind of style of video. Let me know what you want to know next, what you want to learn next. I will make a video about that topic as well. And if you want to learn more about e-com, doing Shopify dropshipping, building an online brand, I have a free school community in the description below. It's totally for free. You can join in if you click on the link below, and you can see a small course how I build and scale a store from 0 to 10K a month, and I'm building it right now live. So you can just follow it by clicking on the link, on the school link, and I will see you in the community. Peace.